Howdy guys, this is Ian with Modern Exterior, and I showed up to a client's house today. They wanted a gutter repair, and then I noticed this, and they also had a question on it. They asked exactly, why is my roof sinking? So there's realistically a couple of different ways that this happens. So it could be simply just the trusses are in the wrong spots, and the structure of it is not as efficient as it should be. And then as well as us in winter here in Wisconsin, we do get a decent amount of snow in just random times. So if we have buildup of snow right here, everything here will kind of start to weaken. Another thing with that too is the decking could be bad on your roof too. I don't exactly know what the age of this roof is. Everything looks pretty solid up here. Everything checks out really well. But you can really see this dip. I'm going to try to show you guys this the best that I can here. So again, it could be the weight of the shingles. It could be the decking underneath it. There's a couple of different factors that really go into it. But with winters too, we have really harsh winters. It's very cold. Sometimes we even get rain. So ice kind of will build up on your roofs naturally, but there's like an ice barrier that goes on a roof from 3 feet of the start of it. So that's kind of why you see this starting to sag down a little bit, and everything else here is fine. Another thing that it could be too is the weight of the shingles, or too many shingles in one area, and your roof realistically just starts to sag. But that'll do it for this video this week, you guys. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.